In the last Kaspa price prediction, I gave you a few trading ideas that I'm taking, and in this video, I want to update you on my current trades and everything else. Basically, I'm short Cake, Ava X, and a bunch of other stuff. And it's very early in the morning, 6 a.m. I've been trading since 3, and I'm looking to see what the market has to offer. And the first thing I notice is that we definitely broke the trend lines on the daily chart when it comes to Kaspa. And right now it's looking very, very bullish with higher lows printing and going after this high retracing at VWAP, which is very, very healthy because a lot of whales would have automatic adding on VWAP, as you can see right here, right here on the shorts, right here on the longs. So the question is, what is going to happen now? Here are a few ideas and basically trades that I'm interested in taking. The first trade I'm interested in taking is above this high because I sense that there's liquidations here. There's also should be liquidations around this price and this price, and I want to mark that with red. Let me just close a position. Got an alert. Here we go. So I want to mark that with potentially green and that with green as well. And I'll have this marked up on the chart as well. Here we go. Okay, that's perfect. So now what would the goal be of this trade in particular? The first idea here is if we go here and we have a healthy divergence on the 30-minute, we'll take a short on the 5-minute to VWAP or to the 15-minute to the 10 AMA. So basically from right here, I have 3 scenarios potentially. I'll short here, I'll long here, or I'll long here, basically, with a confirmation on divergences on Woman 2/market cipher. That's exactly how I'm planning to play it out. I want to see divergence. What kind of divergence? Well, similar to this one. As you can see, price is going higher. Look at this. Lower low, higher high, right here. So this is something that I really want to look at and see when it comes to the trades I'm taking. I want to take trades very similar to this one. So I can have good entries and I can scalp very quickly. So this is basically how I'll be trading this. If you want to see more about my strategy, I'm up to 174 grand on meme coins. I have a link in the description below for my course, which I've discounted temporarily a lot, and also to my Signals chat if you want to follow my trades. Also in the link in the description below, I'll have links for WEEX. They're currently giving a 20% deposit bonus, $10 to $100 coupon, which is definitely something you want to check out. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.